In this video, I will show how to delete article on Grammarly. So guys, if you upload your document in Grammarly application or Grammarly web version, so to delete very simple and easy way, log in your Grammarly. Once you log in successfully, click on My Grammarly. Here you will see documents which you upload before. To delete it, just click on this delete icon like this. Now, to delete permanently, click on Trash. Here you will see all documents. Documents in the trash are permanently deleted after 30 days. And if you want to delete immediately, so click on Empty Trash. And also you can delete one by one, like this. And make sure this document can't be restored later. Make sure all the documents in the trash will be permanently deleted. That's it. Thanks for watching.